Hello children, I am Vikesh from MLZS School Jhansi. I am your science teacher.
So welcome children to the new chapter, that is chapter number 9, soil. So the first question will arise that what is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth surface is called soil. It is usually composed of thin layer of mineral which include sand, mud and rock particles, and a layer of a dead and decaying plant and animals remain called humus, which can be present inside the soil. Now the next thing will coming in our mind that why soil is important for us. So the plant need soil to grow, as everybody knows, and the root anchor into the soil. As you know that if you can pull out a plant from a pot, you need a lots of force to pull out. Why? Because the root of a plant anchor the soil very firmly, which make them stand. So without soil there would be no grass, no crops and no tree. This would means there would be no food for animals and humans. Hence we can say that it would be difficult to sustain life without soil. Now the next heading is weathering and soil formation. Soil formation, as you know, is a slow step by process. It takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil just a few centimeters thick. It is a result of a continuous breaking down of a rock by the process called weathering. Now what is weathering? Weathering is a disintegration of rock on the earth surface caused by exposure of natural force such as wind, water, frost, root of a plant, etc. Okay, so the weathering means the breaking down of a rocks into the small particle, then afterward into the soil. The process of weathering can be divided into the three stages. So let us discuss the first stage. Weathering can be done with the help of a physical or chemical process. With this causes a large piece of a parent rock near the surface to disintegrate into the smaller one. That means the big rocks, with the help of a rain, water and sunlight, they will be cracked and converted into a small pieces of rocks. Now the second stage, these small rock continue to undergo weathering, means these small rock again break down into the smaller then smaller then smaller, thus allow a very fine layer of a rock particles to form at the surface of the earth. Now what will happen? The plant cannot be grow in it, so the bacteria and other microorganisms break down the plant and animal remains to add the humus. So in this soil, in these fine particles, the bacteria can help to decompose all the minerals or the nutrient which is present inside the animal and plant body. As we know that the humus is very important to get the nutrition from the soil by the plant. So these bacteria and microorganisms will increase the level of the humus inside the soil, and this make the soil fertile and rich in the organic material and mineral which are vital to plant growth. Now moving to the stage 3, the mineral and salt seep deeper into the ground along with the water to complete the formation of soil and make it favorable for plant growth. Now the plant can grow. So these all are the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 in the process of weathering, which can help to convert soil from the rock and plant can grow in it very well. So in today's video we have discussed what is a soil, then we have discussed importance of soil, and in the last we have discussed weathering and soil formation. Thank you.